Monday, January 29th, the first trading day, will start with the publication of statistics from Philips, a Dutch concern operating in the field of electronics, consumer goods, medical equipment, and lighting. Financial experts expect from its income a slight rise from €4.47 billion to €4.5 billion. The firm's securities are selling at €21.53 per unit. Ryanair will also report key figures. It is an Irish ultra-low-cost airline founded in 1984. Its main operating bases are at Dublin and London airports. The firm's revenue is expected to fall from €4.93 billion to €4.82 billion. Its shares are available to buy on the London Stock Exchange for £1549.28. Tuesday, January 30th. One of the biggest companies for players to watch out for will be Canon, a leading supplier of digital cameras as well as inkjet and professional printers for business and home from Japan. Its revenue figure is forecast to rise from €1.2 trillion to €1.6 trillion. The giant's shares are valued at €3,781. Pfizer will then disclose its financials. It is an American multinational company, one of the largest in the global pharma sector. The biotech's revenue may reach $12.6 billion, while in the past 3 quarters it amounted to $12.52 billion. The value of Pfizer securities reaches $28.70. January 31st. Mastercard will report its earnings first on Wednesday. This is an international payment system, a financial corporation that unites 22,000 financial institutions in 210 countries. Its key figure, according to forecasts, may reach $6.53 billion, while now it stays at $6.5 billion. Shares of fintech are selling at $429.10 per unit. Samsung Electronics, a company that manufactures electronics, semiconductors, telecommunications equipment, memory chips, liquid crystal displays, cell phones and monitors, is also expected to report earnings. Its revenue is expected to rise from $49.91 billion to $50.54 billion. The company's stock is valued at $1,110. Thursday, February 1st. This is the day to expect financial disclosure from Sony, a major Japanese electronics manufacturer headquartered in Tokyo. Its revenue for the past 3 months amounted to €3 trillion, while this quarter it may reach to €0.8 trillion. Sony shares are available for purchase on the Tokyo Stock Exchange for €14,380. Another giant whose report is worth taking a closer look at is Amazon. It is an American company, the world's largest in the markets of e-commerce platforms and public cloud computing in terms of revenue and market capitalization. The indicator of its income, according to experts, will amount to $141.53 billion relative to $143.1 billion for November-January 2023. The retailer's assets are valued at $154.62. Friday, February 2nd. By the end of the week, statistics will also be revealed by Exxon Mobil, the oil giant from the United States, as well as one of the largest corporations in the world in terms of market capitalization. Specialists predict its revenue to increase from $90.76 billion to $94.6 billion. At the same time, the share price of Exxon Mobil is $99.95. Finally, AbbVie, an American biopharmacology company, which is one of the largest in the world, will perform profitably. Analysts say the main figure for it will be $13.71 billion, relative to the previously reported $13.93 billion. The firm's securities are at $162.40 in value.